Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces. Okay, so Pisces placements, short reading for the rest of July, predictions. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga items na palagi nating fine-flex dito, and yes, i-flex ulit natin. Kasi yes, oo, tayo ay lumalaki pagdating sa followers, sa subscribers. Yeah, thank you. Oo, I appreciate you all. So, kailangan natin i-flex. Opo. So, you can skip the video naman, no? Sa reading na. Oo, kung ikaw ay hindi naman na interested dito. Anyway, marami pa ring interested, no? So, yes, we do have evil eye protection. Okay, so meron tayong ring. This is adjustable, yung ring natin. Meron din tayong dalawang sample ng bracelet. Okay, yeah, ginagamit ko to minsan, kapag ayaw ko ng ring, so, or minsan kapag kine-cleanse ko. So, yeah, ito yung ating dalawang sample ng bracelet. Isang adjustable, isang garterized. Okay? By the way, yung ating adjustable is available in red string. Okay? And meron siyang initial ng magmamay-ari po. Nilalagay po namin. Okay? And syempre, yung ating evil eye protection necklace. So, ito siya. This is unisex, by the way. Okay, ang ganda niyan in person. Okay, so meron siyang blue stone dyan sa kanyang center. Okay, sa mga nagtatanong ilang inches, this is 16 to 18 inches kasama po yung extender. Okay, so again, yung ating newish, oo, na ating 2-in-1 money and love bracelet with citrine. Yes, with citrine. Okay, so ang daming role nito. Ang daming role nito pagdating sa mga magmamay-ari sa kanya. Ang dami niyang ginagawa. Anyway, kanya-kanya yun. Oo, nakukuha ko sa feedback. Okay? Sa feedback ng mga nagmamay-ari na. Anyway, so this is, yeah, unisex. Paano naging unisex? Kung lalaki ka, pwede mo itong ilagay sa red pouch and gawin mong charm. Okay? Kasi, yes, meron tong citrine, pwede mo tong gamitin sa business, sa karir mo, sa trabaho mo. Okay? To gain more money. Okay? Si citrine is money magnet. Okay? Like this. Yan. Meron tayong citrine. Okay? So, ito, inilagay ko naman siya dito. Okay? Sample. This one. Okay? So, ito. Yan. Citrine. Okay? So, yan, meron siya hanggang dito sa dulo. Anyway, kung meron pang tanong, I need your real name po ha, sa lahat-lahat nito. Sa lahat-lahat. Kung inyo namang ipangre-regalo, kailangan ko yung real name ng inyong pagregaluhan ha. And yes, yung ating granter necklace. So si granter, siya yung taga-grant. Okay? Ng inyong minamanifest patungkol sa mga legal actions, legal matter nyo, visa, mga ganyang bagay, no? Makakuha ng ganito, makakuha ng ganyan, sa mana, maayos sana yung kung ano man, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Yung hindi na po under ng love and money. Okay? So, yun ang i-grant niya. Or, yeah, madalas pinapag-grant. Okay? Kung ano man ang mga gusto nyo ipag-grant. Pero syempre dapat ano lang ha, doon lang tayo sa positive. Okay, kung hindi tayo pwedeng mag-manifest ng masama. Ha? Please lang. Ayaw din natin mag-manifest ng hindi maganda sa iba. Please, huwag yung gagamitin to na pang masama. No, don't. Please, may balik 'yun. Oo, may balik 'yan. Just be responsible owner. Be a responsible owner ng ating mga charms. Please. Okay. Anyway, so this is made to order. Kung meron pa kayong mga tanong, message na lang po. And ito yung ating pangtanggal MALAS. Yes, pangtanggal alat sa buhay. Para pumasok po ay maganda. Pwede sa business, pwede po sa bahay, kasabit sa front door. And pwede rin po ito pang sarili. Okay? Mas okay po ito pang sarili. Ito ay panglahatan na po. Okay, panglahatan. Okay, pagtatanggal ng hindi na magandang energy. Anyway. And yeah, yung ating limited lang na stocks ng ating cleansing kit. White sage and selenite. Yung selenite po is nag-a-act siya as charger sa ating mga charms and crystals. Okay? So, yeah. Kung sa tingin niyo parang, nalulubat na. Parang ganto ganyan. Yeah. Itatabi nyo lang po siya doon sa selenite. And magre-recharge na siya. Like overnight. Okay? So, yun lang po. Anyway, lalo na kung nahahawakan ng ibang tao yung charms nyo. Kung meron kayong mga charms, kahit hindi akin. Okay? Tabihan nyo ng selenite. Marirecharge yan. Mawawala yung negative. Okay? So, Pisces, I have a angel number. I have an angel number for you. It's 555. Not the tuna. Okay? Sandali lang. So, Pisces, what's for you for the rest of July? 3 of Cups in reversed. The 2 of Wands in reversed. Okay, so yeah. Ayoko munang sabihin yung nakikita ko, pero meron dito maglalabas ng sama ng loob pagdating sa'yo. Could be a water sign or fire. Okay? Pwedeng dala ng selos. I'm hearing arguments. Okay? Arguments. Inggit, may ganyan. Inggit, selos. Pwedeng friend mo. Karelasyon. You have the Hangman in reverse. May nakikita ako dito mag-walk out. Okay? May mag-walk out. So, what else for Pisces? 10 of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? Some of you, pwedeng may mga bibilihin. Medyo may kamahalan. Yeah, pricey. What's with that 10 of Pentacles in reversed? The 6 of Wands in reverse. I'm hearing some of you na pwedeng may bibilihin ka lang para makita ng iba. Andito yung word na pagmamayabang. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay. Wait lang. Sandali lamang po. Okay. So, yeah. Balik tayo. So, 10 of Pentacles in reverse and the 6 of Wands in reverse. Hindi ko alam kung kayo mismo ang may gagawin na parang pagmamayabang or talagang may mayayabangan lang sa'yo. Okay. So, what else? Pisces. Money. Okay. So, talagang may mabibiling medyo pricey ang mga Pisces bago mag-end ang July. So, Ace of Pentacles. What's with that? This is, energy rin ng new beginning or pakikipagbalikan. Another energy of, sabihin natin, ano ba yun? Having a new beginning with somebody. Parang ganon. Okay, another chance. Yan. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. So, some of you, this is talking about your health. Okay. So, pwedeng meron kang i-invest sa sarili mo. Pwedeng mag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo bago mag-end ang July. Pwedeng ikaw itong gagastos pagdating sa health mo. Pwedeng hindi ko alam. Yeah, masyadong tawag dyan, uso, trending, no? Ang pagkakaroon ng sakit. Oo, ngayon. Pero sana hindi na lang tayo makiuso, no? Okay. Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Page of Wands in reversed. Yeah, siguro healthy lifestyle, mga ganyang bagay. Yung pwedeng hindi mo itinuloy before, pwedeng itutuloy mo ulit. Parang ganyan. Okay, yeah, just being responsible pagdating po sa sarili. Okay. So, what else? Let's see. What else for our Pisces placements bago mag-end ang July? What is for our Pisces placements? Okay, prediction, message. Tingnan natin. Pisces. Okay, so we have two. Okay, una is the Knight of Swords in reverse and the Queen of Cups. So, there's this energy of conversation, a heart-to-heart conversation na parang hindi na tuloy-tuloy before na pwedeng mangyayari. So, I think this is like an energy of closure for some of you. Okay, yeah, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Pwedeng closure, pwedeng something na pwedeng mag-act as parang ito na yung totally ending. Parang may ganyan. Okay? So, some of you, hindi ka sinasabihan or ina-advise na maging open or laging ready pagdating sa mga, kung sino man ang mga ngailangan sa'yo bago mag-end ang July. I don't know why. Okay, yeah. The Four of Pentacles. Lalo na siguro sa pamemera mo, no? So, the Four of Pentacles is saying, hindi muna, parang ganyan, I know muna. Or some of you, parang kailangan mong mas mag-save. Okay? Parang ganyan. Unahin mo muna yung sarili. Parang ganon. Okay? So, what else for Pisces? Okay. Nine of Swords. Okay, so you have a stalker here, Pisces, and they're losing sleep over you. They are losing sleep. Itong taong to may chance na may pagka-nocturnal. They're always awake at night. Oo. So, I think may chance na itong taong to is titingin-tingin sa'yo. I don't know kung kayo ba ay open pa rin. Pero ang nakuha ko, they want to see, they want to have idea kung ano ba bang meron sa'yo sa ngayon. And this is a past person. Okay, this is a past person energy. So, the nine of Swords and the Page of Swords, they're looking for something. Okay? Looking for something. I don't know kung anong meron. Pwede, yun nga. Pwedeng nag-i-stock lang sila sa'yo or pwedeng meron silang mga kinakausap na tao. Okay? Yeah. Meron silang mga kinakausap na tao na parang meron lang silang gustong malaman about you. Could be an air sign. Malakas ang air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay, we have here water sign. Okay? So, I think this person still loves you, I guess. Okay. So, yeah. Pwedeng recently lang nagkaroon ng breakup sa inyong dalawa. What else? So, in general, you have a stalker. May malalaman ka about this stalker, I guess. May malalaman ka about them, like ini-stalk ka niya, or malalaman mo na itinatanong ka niya sa mga ganyan, kakilala nyo, mga ganun. Okay, the Eight of Swords in reverse, you have many swords here. Yeah, again, another swords. So, Eight of Swords in reverse and the Ten of Swords in reverse, this is actually an energy of healing. Okay? So, I guess, merong mga magsisimula. Okay, Strength in reverse. May mga magsisimula, may mga marirelease sa mga burdens, stress, if ever. Some of you, may chance na may mga sisimulan. Okay, let's see. A closure message. Some of you, pwede makakuha ng closure message. Yeah, the World. Closure. Yes. Anyway, so napaka-specific nun. So, pwedeng i-accept na lang kung anong meron. Anyway, kung yun nga lang ang iniintay mo, the closure message, pwedeng makuha yun. Some of you, Pisces. Okay, pwede mo makuha yung closure message bago mag-end ang July. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. So, yung energy ng angel number 555, that is talking about, there's this big changes coming in, no? So, marami pang ibig sabihin yun. Mas maganda, tingin-tingin lang kayo sa Google. Okay? That's angel number. Yeah. Universe is trying to conversate with you, trying to communicate through signs. Okay, that's a sign. So, Aries through Pisces. So, Aries, they want your attention. Taurus, they're manifesting you. Gemini, they doesn't see growth. or maybe there's no growth with this Gemini. So Cancer, they're still attached. Some of them, they're obsessing over you, lasting over you. Okay, so Leo, they're tawag doon, hard-headed. Okay, mga ganyan. So mahirap i-control din itong si Leo. Virgo is trying to be patient. They're waiting for you. Okay, Libra, they're holding back. Scorpio, they want control over the situation. Yeah, and I'm hearing this Scorpio is too toxic. So Sagittarius, they're trying to avoid you, or maybe you have to avoid this Sagittarius. Capricorn, this is energy of acceptance, okay, or changes. Aquarius, releasing. Okay, releasing kung ano man ang kailangang i-release. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw ni-release na ni Pisces, ni Aqua. Anyway, so Pisces, this is energy of stubbornness. I'm hearing stubbornness. Okay, kasi andito yung energy ng parang cycle, loop, stuck, being stuck. Okay, so yeah, always wanting this, maybe the Ace of Pentacles, always wanting a new beginning even though the situation is not good anymore, parang ganyan, no? So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you, goodbye.